Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You will never go wrong with this one pot dinner. So let's get right into the video. So here I have some onion, ginger, garlic, which I just added into my chopper. I'll be putting half a lime. You can use lemon. I'll be adding some black pepper and some nutmeg with some thyme as well. Then I follow it up with this all-purpose seasoning. It have different types of herbs and some salt. I will also be adding smoke flavor. I'll be adding like 2 cups, like 2 teaspoons of that. Then I follow it up with the chicken seasoning and a little bit of salt. Then I add a little bit of olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Cover and blend everything till it is smooth or roughly smooth, just like so. The ingredients I use will be in the description box below. After washing the chicken, just pat it with your kitchen towel and use a knife to make cuts all around the chicken so that the sauce will penetrate inside, or the marinade. Then start applying the marinade all over the chicken, under the chicken skin, everywhere, even the cut. Make sure you put your hand everywhere putable just to apply the marinade so that with any bite on the chicken it will taste so good. And after that, allow it to marinate for about 1 hour inside your refrigerator, and after that you can start grilling it. But first of all, I will be bringing out some foil which I will use to tie the leg. Then I put the lemon and some bay leaf inside the chicken for more flavors. Tie the legs together like so and put it inside your preheated oven. Bake in 200 degrees centigrade depending on your type of oven, but remember to keep your eye on it. Add the remaining marinade inside your potatoes and carrots. Then add inside the chicken after 30 minutes. I'll bake this for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I added the potatoes, the carrots, and I also applied the remaining marinade on the chicken. Bake for another 30 minutes, which is total of 1 hour now. Then I added some broccoli and cauliflower to it because that cooks faster than others. Then I will be allowing this to bake for another 30 minutes. So after more 30 minutes, which is total of 90 minutes, you can bake more than that. That is if you want your chicken to be more crunchy or have more golden color, you can bake more than 90 minutes. But I baked for a total of 90 minutes because I want my kids to enjoy this. I don't want it to be hard for them. You can see the way the bone just fell out. So, and that is it for today's video, and this tasted so good. This was our New Year dinner. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to share, like, comment, and also please try this video and let me know what you think. You will never go wrong with this one pot dinner. Bye.